Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now, today's Valentine's Day, so we will be designing a Valentine's Day pair of Crocs. Now, this particular Croc is called Flame. I will post a picture in comparison between Flame and Pepper. Flame is just brighter. Pepper is more kind of on the darker red side, but I really wanted to use the Flame color Crocs because it's just that bright popping red, perfect for Valentine's Day. And I have some Valentine's Day gibbets along with some gibbets that I feel would go perfectly with today's theme. So we're going to get along with it. I was thinking of using this one. This is gorgeous. Putting this on the side here. I love that. Then we have this Never Heart. And I thought of using this because who doesn't drink champagne on Valentine's Day? So this is just perfect for a nice Valentine's Day little celebration. Now, I don't know if it was last year. I think it was last year. I got some heart candy gibbets. So I will be putting one here. I think that goes perfectly there. Rose, which everybody should get roses on Valentine's Day. Now these red gems are perfect. They're perfect for little fillers, little spaces that you need gibbets in. The only problem with these gibbets, I have complained in the past, is that they tend to come off of its backing. So I've had to glue quite a few of them. So you just have to be really, really careful when you're applying these on your Crocs and when you're removing them as well. So just be really careful. And I thought of the idea of putting a little black gummy bear just to give it some difference in color. And let's see, I love this rose. It's perfect. Goes with this one, which you guys know I am big on cohesion. Which looks so good so far. Okay, I kind of want to put a black little gem near this black little gummy bear. So I'm going to put it in here. I really thought of the idea of putting a teddy bear as well here because I remember in high school getting little teddy bears and chocolates for Valentine's Day. So I thought this was really cute and it's perfect for a Valentine's Day Croc. So maybe putting it down here on the bottom. Yeah, I like that. And let's see, I have this beautiful red gem with gold siding. So I think I'm going to put it on here. And for this little space here, I don't want it to be completely cluttered considering that these two gibbets are really, really big. So whenever you have two overwhelmingly big gibbets, you always want to put something smaller in between them, just so that it doesn't look cluttered. Now I'm thinking one of these little filler gibbets, which I think is perfect. Awesome. Now let's work on this side. So since we have a heart on this side, I'm thinking I want to put a heart on this side. I love this black heart. I think it's gorgeous and it matches with these little gibbets here. But I'm thinking I want to put it here. And I have this beautiful Cupid gibbet. It's extremely large. So something this big, I think can only look right on the sides because if you have it in the middle, it'll be super overwhelming and it'll take up most of the gibbet space. Whereas if you put it on the side here, you see the difference? Like it won't take that much space. So let's put that there. And it's perfect because it goes perfectly with the bow and arrow on this side. So that makes sense in my head. Since we have a bear here, I want to put a bear on this side. You guys know I'm all about balance. So I have this gold bear here. I'm thinking I don't want to put it here. I almost want to put it here. So let's try this here. And I love the gold on gold. So yes, that's perfect. Okay, now since we have a black heart here and we have some black gibbets here, I figure I get a black rose, which is perfect for the Valentine's Day theme. Maybe putting it in the middle here. Now I love this Sweethearts gibbet. This is so huge though. So a gibbet this big can only go on the side. Like there's no other option for this gibbet. Because if you do this, again, it'll completely cover the whole croc and you don't want to do that. And it'll take up all this space. So I'm thinking putting it here. Which is perfect on the side, on the corner. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should move this rose near the heart. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, now that we have that there, what about grabbing another one of these little hard candy gibbets and placing it somewhere here? That looks cute, right? I have another heart candy. I'm deciding on whether I want to put it here or here. Thinking maybe here. Let's try this. Okay, I think I like that. Now I have this gem, which goes perfectly with this and all of this hardware here. Maybe putting this here. Okay, I kind of love that. And I thought of the idea, this isn't really Valentine's Day theme, but since it's a little chocolate, I thought it would be perfect for this Valentine's Day croc. So I'm thinking maybe putting it right here in this little space here. Yeah, I'm kind of loving that. Now I'm missing one little space here because I think this is enough. So I have this little gibbet here that says love. So maybe putting that right in here. And I think we have it, guys. What do you think of this Valentine's Day croc? Sound off below. Let me know what you guys think. But I think this is perfect for Valentine's Day. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one when we'll be redecorating more of my crocs. See you then.